In 2026, online tracking has become far more advanced than most people realize. Incognito mode alone is no longer enough because websites can still track users through fingerprinting, device information, and behavioral data collection systems. That's why privacy-focused browsers are becoming increasingly important. These browsers are designed to reduce tracking exposure, block hidden scripts, and improve online privacy. Quick disclaimer, this video is strictly for educational and privacy awareness purposes only. The goal is to understand modern privacy tools and safer browsing practices online. LibreWolf is a privacy-focused browser based on Firefox, but heavily hardened for reduced tracking. It removes telemetry, background data collection systems, and unnecessary communication features found in many traditional browsers. One of the biggest advantages of LibreWolf is that many privacy protections are already enabled by default. Built-in tracker blocking, hardened settings, and anti-telemetry features help reduce exposure without requiring users to configure everything manually. It's especially useful for users who want stronger privacy during research, browsing, or everyday internet use, while still keeping the flexibility and customization Firefox is known for. Mullvad Browser focuses heavily on anti-fingerprinting protection. In 2026, fingerprinting has become one of the most powerful tracking methods online, because websites can identify users through browser and device characteristics instead of relying only on cookies. Mullvad tries to make users appear as similar as possible online. Instead of allowing deep customization that increases uniqueness, the browser standardizes many settings to reduce identifiable differences between users. This makes tracking much harder, but it can also create compatibility issues with websites that depend heavily on scripts and advanced tracking systems. Florp combines Firefox customization with privacy-focused controls. It gives users deeper control over browser behavior, session organization, and workspace separation. One of its strongest features is profile isolation. Different browsing activities can stay separated instead of mixing together into one large behavioral profile. This helps reduce tracking exposure across multiple online activities. Florp appeals especially to advanced users who want productivity, flexibility, and privacy controls inside the same browsing environment. Brave has become one of the most popular privacy-focused browsers because it provides strong protection without complicated setup. Right after installation, Brave automatically blocks many trackers, advertising scripts, and hidden background requests. It also upgrades websites to HTTPS connections whenever possible and includes anti-fingerprinting protections to reduce online tracking. One reason Brave remains popular is its balance between usability and privacy. Most websites continue working normally, while users still benefit from reduced tracking exposure compared to traditional browsers. Waterfox focuses on balancing privacy with compatibility. Some privacy-focused browsers become so restrictive that websites and extensions stop functioning properly. Waterfox tries to avoid that problem while still reducing telemetry and tracking systems. It also supports older extensions and workflows that some users still rely on. This flexibility makes it appealing for users who want stronger privacy protections without completely sacrificing convenience. Waterfox highlights an important reality of modern privacy. The stronger the restrictions become, the more usability challenges users may experience. Tor Browser is one of the most recognized privacy browsers in the world. Instead of connecting directly to websites, Tor routes traffic through multiple encrypted relay nodes distributed across different locations. This layered routing system makes it significantly harder to trace user identity and browsing activity. That's why Tor is commonly used by journalists, researchers, activists, and privacy advocates. However, stronger anonymity usually comes with slower browsing speeds because traffic passes through several encrypted relays before reaching its destination. Tor demonstrates the trade-off between convenience and maximum anonymity online. Orion Browser focuses on lightweight performance and minimalism. Built on WebKit architecture, it follows a zero-telemetry philosophy designed to reduce unnecessary background communication and data collection. Many modern browsers constantly communicate with external services for analytics, diagnostics, and behavioral monitoring. Orion removes much of that unnecessary activity while maintaining fast browsing performance. Its clean architecture and reduced resource usage make it appealing for users who want simplicity combined with stronger privacy awareness. Ungoogled Chromium removes many Google integrations and telemetry systems normally found inside Chromium-based browsers. Background communication, data reporting systems, and ecosystem integrations are significantly reduced. The browser prioritizes privacy independence and raw control over convenience. However, it is more advanced user-focused because certain features require additional manual configuration. Ungoogled Chromium highlights the growing conflict between convenience and privacy. The more connected modern browsers become, the more data exchange usually happens in the background. Ghostery Private Browser focuses heavily on tracker visibility and advertising surveillance awareness. It includes real-time tracker blocking and allows users to see tracking systems being blocked while browsing websites. This often reveals how massive modern online surveillance has become. A single web page may trigger dozens of hidden tracking requests connected to advertising networks, analytics systems, and behavioral profiling platforms. Ghostery not only blocks trackers, but also increases awareness about how much hidden data collection happens during everyday internet activity. Arc Browser introduces a more structured approach to browsing through workspace organization and profile separation. Different browsing activities can stay isolated instead of overlapping inside one environment. This improves session management and reduces behavioral overlap between work, research, entertainment, and personal browsing activities. Arc combines modern interface design with privacy-conscious organization. It reflects a newer approach where privacy is not only about blocking trackers, but also about improving digital discipline and browsing structure. Modern tracking systems are evolving rapidly, and privacy-focused browsers are becoming more important than ever. Different browsers take different approaches, but all of them focus on reducing online tracking and improving user control. This video was created strictly for educational and privacy awareness purposes only. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more cybersecurity and privacy awareness content.